What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B. Hey man, I'm back with another video, man. Y'all know winter is almost here. So man, I want to show you my winter gear. What I'm gonna be rocking right after this. Yes, we're gonna talk about the winter gear that I rock during the winter time, y'all. So you know it's almost here. I think next week they talking about the temperature is dropping. So hey, I'm gonna get y'all ready. If you're not ready, let's get ready. Hey, but this is what I'm rocking here. My hot wire heated vest, y'all. Jacket. This is my jacket that I'm gonna rock. I picked this jacket up at Cycle Gear. You can also pick this jacket up on the website. You can also pick it up at Amazon. But this is the jacket right here that I picked up from Cycle Gear. It's great, y'all. You can wear it up on your hoodie. You can wear it up on your leather jacket. But make sure you put you like a long sleeve shirt on when you get ready to rock this right here. And put your hoodie on top. And then your leather vest or your leather jacket. You're going to stay toasty, man. Toasty. So most of the time, I'm in my leather vest with my hoodie on. So yeah, this is it. This is where you turn it on and off. Right here, you got 3 levels right here that you turn it on and off. And you got where you connect it to the bike, right up in here. It's got the cable here. I already got my cable on the bike already, y'all. It's already on there, ready to be connected. So all I gotta do is connect it. And if you get heated gloves or heated liners, right here. So I am gonna get the heated liners so I can rock with this as well. So the heated liners gonna be great. But yeah, this is gonna be one of the things that I'm rocking. This is gonna be probably one of my main things that I'm rocking for the winter. But let's move on. I got my heated vest. You probably see me do this. I got this off of Amazon as well. And I've been having this probably about 2 to 3 years now. And it comes with this battery. This is a battery pack. So you'll see me rock this in the garage. And you turn it on here and there. The little connector here. I don't know if my battery's charged. I gotta charge it up. Yes, it's charged. And you can see here. Must not be charged up enough. Is it on? Must not be hooked up on. Yeah, it's dead. I thought it's been sitting up, so I do got to get this hooked up. Oh, there you go. It's low, so you can heat the front of it up. This is the back of it, y'all. And this thing get hot too. You can turn all these on, but I don't think it's charged up good enough. So I do got to get this charged up. So I'm gonna turn it off, but I do got to get my battery charged up for the winter. And this is the name. I will leave a link down in the description if I can find a link. But if you do go to Amazon, type in heated vest, it'll pull up all the different vests. It has a hood on it as well. It stretches on the side, but this worked really good. I've been having this for a few years. And y'all, I got to really show y'all this. I know a lot of people wear the heated liners and stuff like that. These are the pants that I rock right here. These are fleece pants. These are like snow pants, y'all. They like snow pants. Check this out. Y'all, when I say these things are warm, I got some black Nike tights that I wear up under here. But look at the inside of it. Fleece, man. All the way down the leg of it. And this keep water off of you too, man. You can put some water on here and some of the water run right off. But yeah, right on Amazon. I will leave a link down in the description. They have plenty of different colors like this as well. See, I got a navy pair as well. So this is what I really wear in the wintertime. And I got a pair of blue jeans that are the same way. Check it out. Y'all, you put your tights under here. I'm gonna tell you like this. I feel no wind with these pants on. And one good thing about that is because I have lowers and you close the vents on the lowers, you can feel the heat from the motor. Sometimes it gets too hot. But these pants will get you right. These are Lee's. This the brand. Y'all know about Lee back in the day, and they still rocking today. So yeah, and I have a couple of more other pair that I got from Walmart like this, and I have a khaki pair as well. So this is some of the heated stuff that I'm gonna be rocking for the winter. I have the liners here. I got these liners from Cycle Gear as well. So you can just put these on, put them up under your regular glove. It keeps your hand warm as well. So you can just wear them without it too, because it's got the fleece material in it as well. So check that out. But great gloves. This is the name on them. Like I said, you go to Cycle Gear and you can pick these up. Get ready for the winter. I have the little deal go on your head as well. Same name brand. Y'all, this thing will have you sweating. Y'all, this thing will have me sweating in 30-degree weather. I'm not gonna even lie to you. So this is something else you can check out. Just put it over your head, ain't gonna do it. And pull it down, put your face, come out through right there. And this part right here will be over your mouth. So yeah, for the winter, baby, for the winter, it's coming up. And my son got me these gloves. These are some heated gloves. These are battery operated as well. But I'm gonna rock these around town. But I rock, it come with these two batteries here. It come with the charger. I rock these around town. You turn it on and off right here. It's got a little zipper pocket right here where the battery goes. Put the battery in, that's the connector. Connect to the battery, to the battery. It's on each glove as well. And that's the name brand. My son got me these for Christmas off of Amazon. So this is something else that I will be rocking for the winter, y'all. And I'm gonna show you a few other things that I rocked for the winter as well. Put that here. I rock my leather. A lot of people ask me about this vest right here. This is my leather vest, y'all. I got this from Harley Davidson. It don't have anything about Harley brand on there, but this is what it says right here. And this thing got a liner in it. I wear this with my hoodies. I like to put this on with my hoodies, with my liner on. Make sure when you put your liner on, you put your long sleeve shirt on, put your liner on, hoodie, and your vest. Oh, you toasty, baby. You are good. I like this. It zips up. Like I say, I don't wear this in, I know a lot of people wear their leather vests during the winter. During the summer, I'm sorry. But I do not, man. This thing right here, it gets too hot. You got the pocket here if you got your wallet, or you got your gun or whatever you want to put in there. That goes right off in there. It's very thick. It's great leather. I done got caught in the rain coming from Daytona in this thing, and it stood the test of time. So yeah, great for the winter. Like I say, it's thick. It looks nice. It's classy. Man, what y'all think, man? Man, I have had people, it's no lie, hit me in my Instagram box. Hey man, where you get that leather vest? And I had to try to tell them that I got it at Harley. My wife got it for Christmas last year. So that's where that come from. And a lot of times I got to show y'all this. This is my first riding jacket. Awesome jacket. The Fly. That's the name on it. Y'all ain't gonna believe where I got this at. You got the logo on the back. It's reflective all over the back of here. I wear this during the winter and the summertime. I'm gonna show you why you can wear it during the summer. I got this from an Indian dealership. When I had my Honda VTX 1300, this is the first jacket I got to rock. And I'm gonna show you why I got it, okay? This jacket have elbow pads right there. It's got let me open it up. It has a liner in here as well. Check the liner out. You can pull this out and just wear it like this. It has the back pad on here. You just open the Velcro up right here. And that's the back pad for you in case you ever go down. It has the shoulder pads in it right here. And like I say, it has the arm pads on it. So let me show you. Great jacket, y'all. I love it. take your Velcro right here, tighten your arms up so you won't get cold air. Your gloves will come over this, and then it's just a nice fitting jacket, y'all. I really like it. Look at it. It's got the little deal on the side if you want to tighten them up. Right here if you want to tighten that up. But I wear it like that. And great jacket, y'all. Great quality. And the rain just rolls off this baby too. So, but yeah, this is my first jacket. So I will be rocking this. You will be seeing this in videos as well. I'm trying to get where I wear more protected gear. If you didn't see my video I did with my Brunt Boots, check that video out. Because those are the winter boots that I'm going to be rocking. But yeah, this here is great. I don't know if you can find this anymore because I've been having this probably 3 years now. Got pockets here, over here. So you got a little storage space in this thing right here. And it's just a great jacket, especially reflective when you're riding at night. So you might want to check it out. And last but not least, I wear my leather when it's really cold to block the wind. And I have another Harley leather jacket as well. This is a leather coat Harley jacket as well. It's got the one here, Harley Davidson. I caught this on sale. You know, this jacket about $500, something like that. I got it for like $120. I caught it on sale. So yeah, but it's got the nice zippers here. And I know it's kind of like a classy that you just wear out and kick it in. But man, I'm rocking my Harley in this jacket right here. So yeah, man, I just want to come on here, give you a few tips that you might want to invest in. Like I say, I'm getting the hot wire liners or either the gloves, one or the other I'm getting. But check out these pants, y'all. You got to have great riding pants to keep the wind off of you. Like I say, I don't even wear a liner, and I never get cold out here because I wish I had my Nike tights in here. I got some thick Nike tights that I wear under that, and it keeps me toasty right on that motor. So yeah, but yeah, that's gonna be it for today, man. I appreciate the subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, man, please click that button for me, man. Click that button for your boy, because your boy gonna be doing some winter rides as well. You know, in Texas, we get black ice. If black ice on the ground, Kelly B ain't moving. But if ain't no black ice on the ground, Kelly B rolling. So that's what we're gonna be doing, man. We're gonna be rolling, man. But until next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe, man. Get ready for this winter. I love y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out. Peace.